We've made some improvements to graph legends. In previous versions, you could dock the legend at the top or on the right of the graph. This works well, but if you have a lot of curve, the legend takes up a significant amount of screen space. These options are still available if you like it, but now we also offer a new free legend option. In this mode, the legend floats freely within the graph, and I can select it and drag and drop it anywhere I want within the frame. Top right, top left, lower corner, wherever is the most out of the way of my data. And you can see now that I'm not taking up a big panel at the top or the side with my legend, my graph is much bigger and easier to see the details. We can now also quickly show or hide curves directly from the legend. This makes it quick and easy to compare measurements and focus on the data that you're interested in without needing to modify your sequence. You just check and uncheck these blue checkboxes beside each trace to add and remove the lines from the graph. This is useful if you want to, say, remove an outlier from a graph. Let's just remove this red line here. Previously, you would need to find the trace in the memory list and remove it, but this is much quicker and more intuitive. One thing to know about this is that it only changes what's displayed. It doesn't affect the underlying data. Any calculations or later sequence operations continue to use all of the original curves.